You know it's time to make the start on that railroad of your dreams, but the getting started part is usually the most critical point of the entire project. It's the point where so many mistakes can happen. Some of these mistakes are easily rectified later and are just part of the learning curve. But other mistakes at the planning stage can be critical and can have a long-term effect on how realistic your railroad will look. Mistakes can also affect the operational efficiency. Minimizing mistakes and errors can save a lot of money and wasted time.